Welcome back to Everything Food with JT. I hope everyone is blessed and highly favored. Today I'll be cooking rice and peas, Jamaican style. I'll be mixing my parboiled rice with white rice. I have gone ahead and chopped some garlic. I'm gonna add garlic to my pot. In the interest of time, I've washed my red peas, put it into my pressure pot with my pimento seed. Now I add my garlic. I'm gonna pressure for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to pressure your red peas. You can soak it and just cook it as is. But in the interest of time, I want to pressure. Now I am gonna cover my pressure pot and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I will allow my pressure pot to cool down. After cooling down, I will open and pour my red peas into the rice pot that I'll be cooking my rice and peas in. After which, I will add my seasoning to this pot. I will add scallion, thyme, a pepper, a pinch of salt. No, not a pinch of salt. You add the amount of salt you want according to the amount of rice and peas you're cooking. So you add to taste. After adding those ingredients, I will cover my pot and allow those seasoning to cook. In the meantime, I will go ahead and blend my coconut that I have chopped. After blending coconut, we're going to pour it into the pot with the seasoning, the pot that we're going to cook the rice in. So we squeeze out all the coconut juice and dispose of the coconut trash. The coconut gives the rice and peas a lovely flavor. At this point, you can add any other ingredients to your pot. Some people like to add butter or margarine. I stay away from that because of the fat or grease. Some things are optional, guys. You can even add black pepper or any other spice you wish to, but I keep it simple and the traditional way. I've gone ahead and picked my rice. Yes, people, we pick rice. What we mean by that, we clean up the rice, then wash it. Wash it properly before placing it into the pot. Some rice, you do not have to pick it depending on which brand or where the rice is coming from. You can just go straight ahead into washing. Some people don't, but I recommend washing your rice. After finish washing our rice, we're gonna add it to our pot with our peas. The traditional way, guys, we scoop up the rice with our hands and put it into the pot, and whatever is left, we drain off the water and put the rest into the pot. After which, depending on the amount of water or coconut juice is in the pot, if it looks too much for the amount of rice, you get a spoon and you take out some and you place it in a container. You don't throw it away, just in case you might need some to add to the rice at a later stage of cooking. Then you're going to use a fork and stir your rice so that everything in the pot is evenly distributed. After which, you will cover your pot, allow to cook on low to medium heat. Allow your rice to cook for a few minutes, then you check on it again. You use a fork to do any movements or stirring in a pot. That's recommended. After which you cover your pot and allow to steam for a few minutes on low heat. Yes, guys, low heat. Your rice steam better on low heat. If the fire is high, you will get burnt rice, and you don't want burnt rice and peas. Some people will put foil paper over the pot and cover it. Some will use wet plastic bag and cover it and allow to steam, but you can do it naturally. Just cover your pot and allow to steam. Now that your rice has been cooked, you can take off your pot off the stove, or just turn off the stove and share with whatever you like. Normally we have rice and peas with oxtail, fried chicken, curry goat, etc. You have it with whatever you want, whichever meat you decide to put it with. It's great with it. There you have it, guys. Our rice and peas is cooked. I'm sharing it. It looks lovely. Put it with any meat or vegetable of your choice and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. Do remember to like,